Hey guys, welcome back. I'm back on site at the moment installing these large format tiles, and today I'm coming through into the kitchen / utility floor area. So I've got a tip for squaring the floor tiles when the kitchen units are already in. Now to come square off of the units, some would take a square off of the kickboards like this, or if they're not on, you have the legs, which are generally all over the place, so both of these are not good for a true square. Or even the doors like these here, they are not always perfectly in line, so again not an accurate thing to come off of. So none of those options are ideal for getting your square. So what we would tend to do is open a cupboard or drawer and level down off of the base unit itself. So I make sure it reads level and then draw a mark like this. Now I want to get another mark a bit further along so I can draw a line. So I open another cupboard or drawer a bit further along and repeat the process. You should be able to get a small level in most of these places. So now I have my two marks. You can just connect them up with a level, chalk line or laser. I'm just going to use my long level here, but like I say, in a large kitchen you may want to use one of the other methods. And now you know that that line is completely square with the units. So you can use that to take a measurement off of, like I'm doing here, to either start or check that your tiles are square, as there is nothing worse than the tiles not being square with the cabinets. On this particular floor, the square is set out off of the back doors right at the back of the house, all the way back here. So on something like this, coming into a different room from far away, it could be whatever. Luckily, this one's only about 5mm out with the line of the kitchen units, but I'm actually going to square this room up with them by slightly swinging the tiles that come in through the door. So I've gone ahead and dry laid some tiles and slightly skewed these two joints by 1mm, which is hardly noticeable. That is all it takes over a distance to swing me square with the cabinets. With the dry laid tiles up, you can now see my two tile and cabinet lines here, which are parallel with each other. So I can then start laying the tiles knowing this room will be nice and square. So a little tip there guys on how to take a square off of the kitchen cupboards, which can be very handy when setting out a kitchen floor when the kitchen is already in. As like you can now see with some tiles laid, you want your tiles ideally running square with the units. And if you want to see a trick on how to keep these large format tiles level, then you can watch this video right here. Take care guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.